Good morning, class. How are you? Hope you all are fine and really I am praying for your goodness. Children, today we are going to start with the India quiz. The quiz which is related to our country India. And in Hindi as I have already told you that in Hindi we call it Bharat. Now you have to tick the correct answers. You will find out the answers and you will put the correct answer. You will tick the correct answer. Question number 1 is, which of the following is a dish from Gujarat? Children, we have already learned in the previous chapter about the dishes and about the people who live in different states in our country. So which of the following is a dish from Gujarat? Dhokla, idli. Now see, look over here. Dhokla is the dish from Gujarat. Put a tick over here. Second, which city is known as the pink city of India? Ooty or Jaipur? Jaipur. Yes, Jaipur is the pink city of India. Who is known as our father of nation? बापू, है ना, बापू जिन्हें कहते हैं. Who is known as the father of nation? महात्मा गांधी और जवाहरलाल नेहरू. बेटा, which option is correct? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. So we are going to put a tick over here. Which is the longest river in India? Yamuna or Ganga? Which is the longest river? Ganga. Yes, Ganga is the longest river in India. Last question. Which is the smallest state in India? Smallest state in India is? Which is the smallest state in India, children? Goa or Punjab? Goa. Yes, Goa is the smallest state in India. Now look over here. The first dish is dhokla. And who is this? He is father of our nation, Bapu Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was his full name. And this is your Goa. Okay, this is the small state in India. Now look over here. वर्ल्ड फेमस बेटा, पूरी दुनिया में जो फेमस है, नॉट ओनली इन आवर कंट्री इंडिया बट इन द होल वर्ल्ड. Here it is written, look at the pictures of a few people who are world famous. Identify them, पहचानो उन्हें, and write the correct letters in the boxes. Children, you all know that this help box which is given over here, it is there to help you out. Number A is Bill Gates, number B is Sunita Williams, number C Albert Einstein, look over here, and number D, last one, is Queen Elizabeth II. Now who is this? She is an astronaut. Okay, she is an astronaut and her name is Sunita Williams. So this option B is correct. You will write over here, or you can you don't have to write over here. You just have to write down the particular alphabet or the alphabet which is given over here. Correct alphabet B, Sunita Williams. Now number 2, who is this man? Who is this man, children? He is Albert Einstein. His name is Albert Einstein. He was a very famous and still a very famous personality, a very famous scientist. His name is Albert Einstein. So in the help box in number C, it is given over here, Albert Einstein. You will write down number C. Now next is, who is this beautiful lady? I hope that you might have seen her in the videos or on television. She is Queen Elizabeth. She is very beautiful. बहुत प्यारी सी हैं ये, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर हैं. Still she is very beautiful. Her name is Queen Elizabeth. So Queen Elizabeth is given over here on number D. So you will write it down over here, number D. Then lastly, who is this man? बेटा बच्चों, he is Bill Gates. He is a very renowned personality. He is very famous. He is Bill Gates, and he is there who has what can I say? He is related to the computers. He has developed or made Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft company. He is the owner of Microsoft company. So it is Bill Gates. Number A is Bill Gates. Is it all right? Now, who was the first woman of Indian origin to go into space? This is seek out. You have to seek out, you have to look out. Okay, this is your homework. You have to find out who was the first woman of Indian origin. कौन सबसे पहली औरत थी इंडिया कंट्री से जो स्पेस में गई? दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट एंड देन you can write it over here below this space. Is it clear? So this is world famous. All right, she is Sunita Williams, he is Albert Einstein, she is Queen Elizabeth, and he is Bill Gates. Is it clear? Next, when we will meet, we will learn about around the world. Okay, so till then, have a great day. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.